In this video, I will be silently installing Keepass. I will use PSExec to execute the installation as a system account. And main reason for that is because I want to make sure that the installation is successful, no matter what user I'm using to deploy the software. And if you want more details about that, you can check out the video that I have here. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page and I will leave the URL in the description down below. So now I will begin this video by downloading Keepass and I will use the link that I have here. It brings us to the download page for Keepass. And if we scroll down a bit, here we can see that we can download MSI package for Keepass. And I will click on the link. It brings us to the SourceForge. And here we need to wait a few seconds before the download can start. But I will go to my downloads folder and the download has finished instantly. And we are using the MSI package because then we know that we can use standard MSI switches to install the software silently. And I will also be installing Keepass inside of a virtual machine. So I will right click on the file, click copy, then go to VMware Workstation where I have this software folder. And I will paste the file here. And in this software folder, I also have PSExec executable. So the next step for us is to open a command line. For that, I will go to Start, type cmd, and then I will click Run as Administrator. Now we want to change the directory in our command line to the directory where we have our executables. So I will click here and then I will copy the location. Then in the command line, I will type cd, paste in the directory and click enter. And if I do dir, we can see our executables here. And like I said, I will be performing the installation under the system account. So for that, I will use PSExec. I will type psexec.exe -i for interactive, -s for system account. And then we need to enter the executable that we want to start. In this case, I will start another CMD. I will agree with the license terms. And now we have a new window. And if I type who am I in this window, it says that I am anti-authority system. And that means that everything that I am doing in this window, I am doing it as a system account. Once more, we want to change the directory to the directory where we have our executables. For that, I will type cd, paste in the directory, click enter. Then I can type dir to double check if I can see the files, and both files are here. Next step is to start the installation, and for that I will go back to my GitHub page where I have the command that I will be using for this video. And here you can see the command that I will be using. I'm starting it with cmdc, and this is not necessary, but it allows us to see when the installation is fully finished by just looking at the command line. Then I'm providing the executable name. Then I'm using switch quiet, and this switch is the main switch that makes this installation a silent installation. Then I'm using no restart, and this means that I'm asking for the installation not to reboot my system after the installation. And then another parameter is all users equals 1. And this makes the installation machine-wide installation. Basically, that means that all the users on that computer will be able to use the software. So I will copy this line, go back to my virtual machine and paste the line into the command line. And then I will press enter. And the installation is finished almost instantly. I will double click on Keepass. Here we can choose to enable automatic updates or disable them. In this case, I will be disabling them. And it seems to work just fine. And that's it for this video. In the future videos, I will show you how to deploy Keepass using other deployment tools, such as Group Policy. So like and subscribe if you want to see that, and see you in the next one.